How to start making money with AI beginner guide. You do not need to be an expert to make money with AI, you just need to start. So, what is the problem? Many people think AI is too complex, they feel confused, so they wait and do nothing. But the opportunity is now. Let's check the data. Millions of people are already using AI tools. Freelancers, creators, businesses. AI is lowering the barrier to entry. Anyone can start. Haha, what about solutions? Start with simple steps. Step 1. Learn basic AI tools. Try tools for writing, design, automation. Step 2. Choose one skill: content, design, marketing. Focus on one direction. Step 3. Offer a service. Start small. Help others solve problems. Step 4. Improve with AI. Use AI to work faster and better. Step 5. Grow income streams. Add more services. Build products. Invest earnings. For example, one person waits to learn everything, another starts with one simple skill. After 6 months, the second person earns income, the first person is still learning. You do not need perfect knowledge, you need action. Start small, stay consistent. AI is an opportunity. This is FutureCapital. Learn. Adapt. Win.